So how can I save time with cleaning? Like, it's only me right now, so I'm trying to figure out how to clean faster.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So cleaning faster. Oh, let me just say this. What exactly are you cleaning? Because there's different types of cleans you can do. Construction cleaning, deep cleaning, general cleaning. Like, what is your niche?
Um, right now it's more deep cleaning, like move out cleans, and I have this one particular house. She got two dogs, and she's kind of like a hoarder, so she got like stuff everywhere, and it's like really time consuming for me to move her stuff around, work around all the clutter.
Right. I always tell people this, like cleaning the right way is time consuming regardless. When you say, well, what's the quickest way, if you move too fast, you're gonna miss something. You understand what I'm saying? Like you have to learn how to clean thoroughly. It's certain solutions you can use to maybe speed up the process. I don't know what type of solutions you're using.
Okay.
I don't know what type of solution do you use?
I try to go the softer approach. So I use a lot of Dawn or Castile soap. Um,
Mm,
that's the main thing. I like Dawn Power Wash. I make it myself, so I do like the Dawn and alcohol. I try to steer
Are
clear
you
of.
using if you're using Dawn is good. Dawn gets really, really soapy.
Yeah,
So it's gonna take you a while to like rinse. You're gonna be doing a lot of
right.
rinsing, with
Yeah,
all the bubbles and stuff. You know what I'm
yeah,
saying?
definitely.
So
Yeah.
that's just the one thing with the Dawn. It works good, but it's gonna be time consuming because you're gonna have a bubbly. I don't know how much you're using in there. You know what I
No,
mean?
I don't use too much. I just enough to get a good scrub down.
Right. And what type of vacuum do you have?
Not great one at the moment. It's like the Bissell. Uh, what is? It's like from Walmart. It's one of the cheaper ones at Walmart.
Okay. So you want to eventually invest in a good vacuum cleaner. Okay.
What
Because
kind of
sometimes
vacuums do you guys use?
I would say a Shark vacuum.
Shark. Okay.
Yeah. And I like the Shark vacuums that have a cord. I'm not really a fan of the ones that are cordless because
Right.
the power goes out on it and then you got to charge it back up, and I never liked that whole wait and charge up thing. So I use the Shark vacuum that has a cord, and I can put a extension cord to it or something like that if I need to get to larger areas. But I like the Shark vacuum because you can vacuum the kitchen as well as the rug.
Right.
You
Yeah.
know what I mean? And then it has the hose where you can unattach the hose and you can get in the cracks and the crevices.
Yeah, definitely.
So
I'm
I
definitely
would
gonna have
say
to.
invest, spend some money on some decent supplies that'll make speed up your process a little bit more.
Right.
Okay, like a better
Yeah.
vacuum cleaner, um, a better duster. I don't know what kind of rags you're using. Sometimes you guys be using those white rags that leaves all of that lint behind.
Oh yeah. I try to
You know what I'm
stay
saying?
away from those as much as
Yeah,
possible.
that could slow you down if you're using the wrong rags. Get you some microfiber rags, okay?
Right.
Or you can use the blue rags. What do you call those rags? We get them out of the automobile section. The throwaway rags. They're really, really thick. The thick blue
Oh,
ones.
okay. Yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah, the ones that they use to wash the cars and dry the windows. Like those work really good with cleaning with them. And then you could
Okay.
just clean, especially cleaning like a move out or something like that. You can use those. This is microfiber. These always work good.
Okay.
Good old microfiber rags. And then like I said, the blue ones that you can just throw away. You can wipe something disgusting off and just throw it away.
Right.
You know, so that speeds up the process as well.
Definitely.
Yeah. Hard water buildup. Let me see.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, and for hard water buildup, make sure you're using something like silver scrubby. This works
Silver
good.
scrubber. Okay.
A pumice stone, barkeeper's friend in the squeeze bottle, lime away in the squeeze bottle. Those will help you out for the deep cleans.
Okay.
Okay. So it really just depends on the stuff that you're using, but I mean, don't think that you're gonna get through with this big old house in 2 hours and stuff. Like sometimes it is just gonna take some time for you to clean it properly. Some of my best cleaners, they that work fast, it still would take them 4 hours to complete a 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, depending on the condition. It's
Right.
just
Yeah, I'm very detail oriented. So like I clean people's house like I clean my house. So I see
Mhm.
where I take a long time. But using some of your suggestions, I feel like I could speed up time.
Where when she go to clean, where does she start at? Does she do the bathrooms and the kitchen first? Like where does she start at?
Yeah, that's a good question. Where do you start at when you start cleaning?
I always start in the dirtiest room, mostly like the master bathroom, somewhere that's been used a lot. And then I move like to the kitchen, and then I do the least
Okay.
dirty spaces last, like the living room, dining room.
Right. So when you first come in, usually when I first come in a house and it's really, if it's an apartment and it's really dirty, I start spraying my solution.
There you go.
So I'm going to
Okay.
spray my stove down immediately and let it sit. And then I'm going to spray down the bathrooms and all that mold and stuff, let it sit.
Okay.
So give it the chemical time to do what it needs to do while you're working on windows or working on something else in the house. Then you slowly start coming back to those areas and taking care of those.
Right.
Okay. Just a suggestion. Okay.
Thank
Miss
you.
Johnson,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm
Who is
sorry.
it?
I do apologize for
Okay,
interrupting
that
you,
was
just in case I caught her on the last.
Go ahead. Hold on. Who is that?
Miss Lady Mac.
Oh, that's Lady Mac.
I mean, you hear me
There you
now?
go. Yeah, I hear you now. Go
Okay.
ahead.
How do you feel about using vinegar and water instead of bleach in like the bathrooms? Like, cause I've heard that vinegar and water is better and
Mm-hmm.
that bleach. Now trust me, I've used bleach in my bathroom before for like a little bit of mold and it just disappeared. But some people were saying that it wasn't really going anywhere because it'll come back quick. Now I never had that problem.
They said that
But then
the mold will come back quick.
right. But see, I'm a little self-diagnosed OCD, so I ain't never had that problem. I stayed
No,
on top of my
I never
bathroom.
heard of that. And I really kind of think that the whole vinegar is good, but to me, I'm just from the old school. From where I come from, bleach is what's gonna kill them germs.
Right.
Right,
I
right, right.
know that inhaling the fumes is toxic. I get it. But in certain situations, I walk into a bathroom, it's moldy, the toilet's black, the tub is black. Y'all done seen the nasty
Oof,
stuff before.
yes.
I'm going to go get some bleach. That's just me. Hey, you know why you may be struggling in your cleaning company right now? It's because you're surrounding yourself with a bunch of losers. I'm sorry. I hate to sound harsh, but it's true. You need to be surrounding yourself with high-level cleaning business owners, okay? Now, I know. You may say, well, where would I find them at? Like, where would I find multi-million-dollar cleaning business owners that I can network with, okay? Well, I may have the solution for you because Clean Biz Network is doing it again. We have an event coming up February 28th, 2024, okay, all the way until March the 1st. All right, and this is a networking event that you will not want to miss. We have Debbie Zardon. She's going to be speaking on stage, and she always kills it. Along with my boy, Mr. Marquell Russell. He is the king of client attraction. You definitely want to stay to hear everything that he has to say. We also have Mr. Eric Coffey. He's going to be hitting the stage talking about government contracts for anybody that's interested in government contracts. You can network with him. Also, we got Carolyn hitting the stage, the cleaning business mentor. We have Raylan from the Hustle Network hitting the stage, along with DJ The Boss and a host of other speakers that's going to be there for you to network with. I mean, this is a networking event and it's going to be huge. It's going to be amazing. It's hosted all by your girl, Miss Johnson from Tenacity Academy, and it's founded by AJ Simmons, the owner of Clean Biz Network. All right, so we will all be there, and you can network with me and all of my cleaning business buddies. All right, all of your favorite influencers, I guarantee you, will be in the building for you to just sit there, network, and ask them all the questions that you want to ask, get their phone numbers, and really build relationships. That's what this thing is all about. Okay, because your network is directly connected to your net worth. I'll see you guys in Vegas. Get your tickets today. Don't wait until the last minute. Don't wait until February to start booking your tickets. Get your tickets right now. I'll see you in Vegas.